How to change YouTube profile picture on mobile. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change YouTube profile picture on mobile. For this, you want to open the YouTube app on your device. Make sure that you're using the latest version of the YouTube app. Now log into your account using your credentials. If you want to change your YouTube profile picture, you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get here, tap on your profile picture over here. What that will do is take you to your channel. Here you have the pencil icon next to manage videos. Go ahead and tap on this. Now you get to edit the channel settings from here. You can change details such as name, handle, channel URL, and also add a description. You can also change your privacy settings from here. Since you want to change your profile picture, tap on the camera icon at the top. Now you can either take a picture by tapping on the camera option, or you can use any picture from your gallery. If you select gallery, go ahead and select a picture from your device. Now tap on the save as profile picture option. As you can see, profile picture has been updated successfully. So you can head back, and as you see, the profile picture has been successfully changed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.